Hi, everybody. I'm Michael.
I'm McKenna.
I'm Joanna.
I'm Carrie.
And I'm Allison.
And our group scenario focused on the Great Opportunities Career Services and Day Program. The day program focuses on recreational and leisure activities, while the Career Services program focuses on job training and placements. This year, the state mandated that they increase the life skills and employment opportunities. In an effort to comply with the state mandate and increase the attendance at the Career Services job training and life skills classes that are already offered, we recommend implementing a token economy system.
So a little bit about what a token economy system is. Token economy system is defined as a system of reinforcement that uses a medium of exchange to purchase goods, services, or privileges. Token economies can be used with many different populations, but have frequently been successfully used for those with autism to target social skills, day-to-day living skills, and behavioral goals, among others. Token economies are comprised of 6 pieces, which include the target behavior, the token that acts as a conditioned reinforcer, backup reinforcers, a token production schedule, an exchange production schedule, and a token exchange schedule. There are 7 steps to implementation, which are first, to identify the target behavior for increase or decrease. Second, to create the required materials, such as the token board and the tokens. Third, to identify the reinforcers for earning tokens. Fourth, determine an appropriate schedule of which tokens will be earned. 5, select a schedule of when participants may exchange their tokens. 6, provide tokens only when the contingency is met by the participant. And finally, provide reinforcement once tokens are exchanged.
Our goal is to increase the attendance at the job training and life skills classes offered at the Great Opportunities Career Services Center. So implementing a token economy can help solve the attendance problem because the program clients receive tokens for attending the classes. Those tokens are then exchanged for larger reinforcers like leisure activities and tangible items. Since the tokens are connected to reinforcers, the clients are more likely to return to the life skills and job training classes again and again.
To promote generalization, a minimum mastery criteria must be met every week for 3 weeks. After 3 consecutive weeks of mastery being met, minimum participation percentage will increase by 5% per mastery level until a mastery of 80% participation across 3 consecutive weeks has been met. Once a mastery of 80% participation across 3 consecutive weeks has been met, fading out procedures will begin. Fading out will happen by reduction of tokens received, paired with verbal praise for attendance. Attendance will need to continue to be recorded accurately to ensure that minimal acceptable levels of participants are attending life skills and job training classes. Here is an example of a token chart that can be used. Materials needed to start this intervention include a sticker chart with labels for each day of the week, as well as the activity set offered for the day and stickers. In order to create the chart, the following materials will be needed: a computer with a word processor. Google Docs is used to create this chart we use in the example, and a color printer. A reusable variation of the chart could also be created with the following additional materials: a laminator with lamination materials, Velcro, photos of the clients or photos that are used to represent the clients. Since this is a low-cost, low-tech intervention, the startup and continuation costs of this intervention are also considerably low. Most materials required will likely already be available at the clinic.
A clinic-wide implementation is being used at the Great Opportunities Career Service and Day Program to increase attendance of the clients and life skill classes. A token economy is being used to assist in this goal. Token economy related reinforcers and rewards to increase wanted behavior. The personnel involved in the implementation plan consists of directors, BCBA, RBTs, therapists, teachers, and life coaches. There is a very obvious barrier in the implementation of the token economy at GOCSDP, which is making sure that all the staff involved, especially the teachers, have a uniform understanding as to how they should be taking attendance for each client, along with how the client would collect tokens to then submit for rewards.
Now we will model it. So if I am an instructor at the end of a class, this is generally what that token economy would look like. Michael, thank you so much for attending our independent living class. Could you please place a sticker on the token economy board? Nice job.
Data collection will be on a shared online spreadsheet that employees can access via their provided email. Attendance will be collected for every course, and you will record the date, class, number, and number of attendees. Once you enter the number of attendees, the attendance percentage will automatically calculate based on the formula within the cells. And this will allow for long-term easy storage for data collection.
Final tips. Token economy is important in increasing attendance of life skill classes for future gainful employment. And monthly staff meetings and trainings should be held to ensure data is being collected appropriately, and working as a team and listening to each other will serve as a great help in implementing the token economy system.
Thank you very much for attending our training, and these are our references.